if you're like me, you love having natural light, but you need to get some editing done and you cannot see a thing on your screen. We're going to fix that. Step 1. Get a new desk chair. Step 2. Enjoy your new chair. Step 3. Keep hold of the box. We're going to need it. Step 4. Measure your monitor. Just give yourself a couple of inches either side to play with. You don't want to cut it too short. Step 5. Measure and cut. Step 6. Just make sure they're big enough. That'll do. Step 7. Paint it black. Step 8. Hope it doesn't rain. I've just used chalkboard paint, by the way. They didn't have any matte black in the shop, so this should do. You might also want to give it a couple of coats. It's just aesthetic, really, but the more black there is, the more it will absorb light. Step 9, find yourself some fallback clips. Step 10, assemble. Now, do you remember those 2 inches I told you to give yourself? Fold it on the side panels and then get a clip on each side of the fold. And then attach these to the top. Just do one side to start with, you can get a rough idea. If it were balanced, that'd be a nice little thing, but this one isn't. So I'm just mark with my thumb where the fold should be. That should fit. Then you can literally use a little bit of gaff tape or something just on the corners and that should do the job. Or if you have it, bit of double-sided tape, cut a little tab for each corner. Voila! We've got no more glare coming in as far as my perception of it. I could probably even tilt it a bit more comfortably. Yeah, sorted. Then if you want to take it off, just unstick it, fold that down the side of your desk. Just do make sure you don't do what I've just done. I've put the black side of the top panel on the outside. You want it on the inside so that it's cutting out the light. So I'm just going to fix that. I'm fully aware, by the way, that it's not the prettiest looking thing in the world, especially if you're someone who takes pride in the appearance of your desk setup. But it's dirt cheap, it does a job, and you can just fold it away. Depending on your monitor, you might not actually be able to find the genuine fitted monitor hood. So, and then even with the ones that you can find on Amazon or wherever, they cost a bomb. Those things are expensive. You could pay nearly half the price of the monitor just to add a hood. So yeah, for me, this is a no-brainer. It's completely byproduct. I've not paid for any of this except for the spray paint, but a lot of you probably have spray paint already. And yeah, it'll save your eyes a bit. It'll allow you to see more accurately what you're doing to your images or video as well. And yeah, I'm dead happy with this. Hope that you can take something away from it as well. And yeah, get crafting. So thank you very much for watching this. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you've learnt from it. If you want to see more like this, I like doing things on the cheap, so I quite like doing DIY jobs. Do it yourself and you'll probably save a lot of money. So be sure to hit subscribe. No. So be sure to hit subscribe down bottom there. Give it a like if you liked it, and if you didn't like it, it's probably not the video for you, but you can dislike it a couple of times. So until next one, I'll see you later. I need to do some editing. Bye.